Same as Oedipus Rex, the characters in Oedipus at Colonus still believed that their gods could see the past, present, and future. These gods can send rational or irrational forms of punishment, discipline, and warning. Some people can access this information just like oracles, priests, seers, and prophets in the trilogy, and they can interpret the visions to the people who sought their future. Before Oedipus at Colonus, Oedipus had already fulfilled the prophecy of killing his own father and marrying his own mother. Oedipus at Colonus shows that the characters cannot escape their prophecy and fate despite their efforts to avoid it. In Oedipus at Colonus, Oedipus is already weak and damaged. The first prophecy was mentioned by Oedipus after arriving at the Grove of Furies. He immediately realized that the oracle once told his fate that the Grove of Furies is the spot where he will die, and it will be signaled by a lightning, a thunderclap, and an earthquake.